Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making instant orange muffin. For this we need Marie biscuit, glucose biscuit, orange, walnut, almonds, fruit salt, some fruit color. So let's grind first Marie biscuit and glucose biscuit and make a fine powder. Add milk to make a smooth consistency. Mix it well. Add some more milk. Now add orange juice concentrate, easily available in market. Add some orange food color. Mix it. Now we will add some orange grind or orange peel to give our muffin a freshness. Add some walnut, some almonds to give crunchiness into muffin. I'm adding some more milk to make my batter smooth. Now batter is smooth. Now I'll take muffin molds, add fruit salt, approximately 3/4 teaspoon, and add 1.5 teaspoon of milk. Now gently fold the batter and transfer it into molds, muffin molds. Now we will microwave it on high power for 2 to 3 minutes and your instant orange muffin is ready. Thank you.